LaCara Innovative Health got me back to playing with my 1-year-old. My name is Jess, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I first came to Innovative Health because I was having a hard time with my lower back. Like, I couldn't even get off the floor with my daughter. It hurt so bad. To get up from a chair, the restroom, anything, I just dreaded it. And it had been hurting for about 2 years, and I thought it would eventually go away. It never did, and just kept getting worse and worse, and so finally I just couldn't take it anymore. From the minute I met the doctor, he listened to everything I had to say, very confident that we'll fix it. Told him I was pregnant, so he gave me the heads up that this is going to be an uphill battle because your back is going to continue to pull because of the baby, but we'll take care of it. I was kind of nervous of having to go in and get adjusted while you're pregnant, but they know what they're doing. They do a great job. He's very cautious and always asking, like, how's the belly feel? How's the baby feel? It's another relief when you come in here of, you know that you're in good hands. He cares for you. He cares for your success. As soon as I walk out of here, I feel relieved. I can walk normal. I can walk normal. I don't fear getting out of my car or hesitate to be like, oh, as soon as I get off the seat, it's going to hurt. Since I've come in, I can play with my daughter, get on the floor, get up fast. I am doing more exercising now that I'm pregnant. That's still important. A yard work to go outside. I can bend over, pull weeds. I can get on the lawnmower, or I can push the lawnmower and not have to fear the excruciating pain. I really enjoy coming here and getting the results I have. And I 100% would recommend them to anybody else I talk to who has more pain issues. Don't wait. I would tell them not to wait. Make the call. Go in and see them. They're friendly. They know what they're doing. It's great. I love coming here.